our delicious rich curry recipe. Look at it, very nice and scrumptious. If you're looking for a very easy to follow recipe, you can join us Cooking with TZ and C, and you can follow our easy step-by-step recipe on preparing a most delicious and rich curry. So please remember to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and subscribe if you're watching and you haven't yet done so. So to start this recipe, first we need some chicken. So we have here 2 pounds of chicken. So we have 2 pounds of chicken, and we're going to wash our chicken. So we cut them in smaller pieces. So when you're cooking curry chicken, you have to cut them in smaller pieces, right? And you use a vinegar. You know, we always use a vinegar and a lime juice. This is signature for us. We use our lime juice and our vinegar. You can use one, but we use both. We're extra. Then we're going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose season. Guys, remember, when you're coming Cooking with TZ and C, when you come in our kitchen, remember that we don't use a lot of powder seasoning. We use natural season. So we don't practice to use a lot of powder season. So we make it minimal. We don't use the extra, right? And we're just going to add about a pinch of black pepper. So that's all seasoning that you need. You don't need nothing more than that. The natural seasoning is the way to go. So you want to eliminate the use of a lot of powder seasoning when you're preparing your meal. And what we're going to do now is we're going to massage everything. We're just going to rub the powder season in, and allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So you just leave it there and let it marinate for a while. So afterwards, we're going to add the curry. So this is Better Pack. I love this curry, guys. I love using this curry. I don't use any other curry than Better Pack. 1 teaspoon of Better Pack curry. And then we're going to add our natural seasoning to the meat. So here, we're just going to add our natural season, right? So we have here Irish potato. So we dice Irish potato, some carrots, diced carrots. We also going to add some onions, and also some garlic. If you don't like to bite on garlic, you can go ahead and use a garlic crusher to crush it. And here we're also going to add our scallions, our green onion, and our thyme. And we also have there some Scotch bonnet pepper. So with the Scotch bonnet pepper, you can burst it and you can mince the seeds and the skin in if you like spicy food. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Afterwards, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Better Pack curry, and you're going to add it in the oil that is hot, in hot oil. So we're burning the curry, and then we're going to give it a swirl or a stir. Right, and then afterwards, what we're going to do now is we're going to pour the chicken and the seasoning into the pot. Then we're going to allow it to cook up a little bit. So what we're doing now is going to allow it to cook up for about 5 minutes. Then after that, we're going to give it a stir. All right. So you're just getting everything mixed properly. So afterwards, we're just going to continue stirring it, and then we're going to cover the pot and let the curry chicken sweat. So when you cover the pot, it is going to sweat and produces water into the chicken. So you're going to cover it for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, this is how it is looking. It produces a lot of water. So what we're going to do is we're going to top it up with some more water, about half cup of water. We're going to cover the pot and allow it to cook on medium flame for the remaining 30 minutes. So in all, we're going to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. Remember, this is chicken, so it does require a lot of cooking. It doesn't require a long period, right? So you want to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes, because remember that a chicken is very fleshy. It have a lot of flesh. It don't have a lot of bone, where it take a long time to cook. Alright guys, we're soon done. We are finished up now. So what we're going to do now is we turn down the flame on low, and we're going to allow the gravy or the meat to simmer down, because look at this, it is too watery. So this is not based on the consistency that we're looking for. We want it thicker than that. So you see, when we add the Irish potato, what the Irish potato does is that as it softens, it breaks off into the gravy. So when the Irish potato breaks off into the gravy, in the curry gravy, it adds more body. It allows it to become thicker, the gravy to become thicker. So this is why we add Irish potato to curry, because it will add more thickening aid. So curry is a traditional menu or recipe that is cooked in most Jamaican household when you have family gathering, family reunion, any mass gathering that we have. We always have a pot of curry on the stove, on the wood fire. So curry or curry chicken, curry goat, curry mutton is a traditional recipe that is cooked at many family gathering, night or dead yard as you all know it, any mass gathering here in Jamaica or in the Caribbean. All who can relate to that, let me see some flags in the comment section. If you're from Jamaica and you know about the mass gathering, when we cook curry goat at night, dead yard or any family reunion, just comment down below and let me see you in the comment section. So we always cook curry chicken or curry goat with white rice at all mass gathering, if not all mass gathering, because this is a part of our culture. So we enjoy cooking curry chicken or curry in any form. So here I present or show you how I prepare curry chicken Jamaican style. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Okay guys, so we're just going to continue to stir the curry until it is at the desired texture that we want. So we just have it on low flame and we're just monitoring it. We're just stirring it here and there, right? Look at the curry. Look how it is very rich. Look at that rich, juicy. Look on the piece of meat there, so. And guys, rich and juicy curry chicken. Look at the chicken, the gravy, guys, irresistible. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Our curry recipe, very mouth watering. Look at that, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, show us some love. Bye.